and welcome to Transcending Crochet. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a magic ring. Now you use a magic ring for projects when you want tight centers, so like a granny square or any other project you want to use. You can use this instead of the chains at the beginning. So what you're going to do, and I'm right-handed, so I'm using my left hand for this example. And so I'm going to take my 3 fingers here, and I'm going to place the end of the yarn against my 4th finger and use my thumb to hold it in place. And I'm going to wrap it over my 3 fingers and then back under. And then this is the important part. You're going to cross it over, so you're going from right to left, and then you're going to go back over your 3 fingers, and you're going to use your pinky to hold it against your 4th finger there. And now you have your 2 strands here. What you're going to do is you're going to take your hook and you're going to point it down, so this little hook portion here is facing down. You're going to slide it in the groove between your 3rd and 4th finger under that 1st strand, and you're going to grab that 2nd strand. You're going to pull it under that one, and then you're going to turn it so that hook is facing up, so it creates a little loop as you see there. Now what you're going to do is you're going to carefully slide it off your 3 fingers, and you're going to hold your yarn like so. And now this is the important part. So you're going to hold it where your 2 fingers, so your 4th and your pinky, are holding it in place, and then you take your middle finger and your thumb, and you're going to pinch it, and you're going to make a chain. This chain helps hold your yarn in place. And that is how you make a magic ring. So let's say, for example, it's 3 double crochets in your magic ring. So I'm going to make a stack single crochet as my first double crochet. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. And then the beauty of a magic ring is after you're done the amount of whatever stitches is needed for it, all you do is you unwind it a little bit, and all you do is you pull it tight and it disappears, and you normally have a perfect circle with a solid center in the middle. Now I don't have enough double crochets to show that, but I do have another project. It's a bunch of hexagons, and each hexagon in the middle is a magic ring. As you can see, there's no gaps, which makes it really nice for projects like granny squares as well. And then if you're not happy with it, all you do is you pull it out and it comes out really easily. So what you have to know for these is the way you hold it. Using your fingers to support the bottom and apply some tension really helps, because these are super fiddly and they will fall apart very easily on you. But after a couple tries, it should be getting easier. I hope you have fun and enjoy crocheting.